Welcome back to another episode of Extreme Tinder Makeover, where we take average men and build them world-class online dating profiles. I'm your host, Hunter Lewis. Let's meet this week's contestant, Devin.
Hunter, here I am today. I am overwhelmed by an abundance of females on this boat here. And the question is, have you guys ever had 2 inches before?
Yes.
You have, okay.
I'm not gonna answer.
What the
Okay, yeah, because
I plead the face.
Julian, what's good, buddy? Thanks for setting this up, man. Dude, it's actually massive. Yeah. I thought when we walked in it was gonna be one of the little pontoons there. This is our boat.
Yes.
Imagine. All aboard, eh?
Man, I still go, 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 yeah, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave.
So welcome aboard, my name's Patrick.
We're setting sail here. Big shout out to Blue Water Yacht Charters and Julian Pandemics for setting this up. If you guys are in the GTA and you're looking for the best yacht experience around, you know where to go. Guys, we're taking the show to new heights. If you haven't yet, pound that like button, hit subscribe, Tinder Makeover to the moon, baby. Let's go. What's going through your mind right now, buddy?
I'm feeling like $1 million. Honestly, I would not have pictured me being here even a week ago. Surrounded by all my new friends here, by cameras, and here with you. So
A lot of beautiful women here too, Devin.
there is. I'm just noticing that right now.
Yeah.
And as I look around, the landscape is looking very promising. There's definitely some potential. For
Quite
sure.
indeed.
I really want to thank you for really helping me and for essentially saving me, because I honestly don't know what I'd do without you.
Honestly, man, throughout this experience, there's one thing I've learned. You have a fucking heart of gold, buddy, and you deserve the best. And that's why I went to the best yacht charter in Toronto to give you a 5-star Tinder experience, bro.
Nice. Keep a little bit of movement like that. That's good.
Hell yeah, Chad. Let's go, baby. Devin thinks we're gonna take his photo in a little bit. What I told Chad to do is take candidates of Devin while he's just having fun. He doesn't even know he's getting his photo taken. That's often when you get the best photos of yourself, is when you don't expect it. So right now, we got Chad just taking photos of everyone on the boat, getting nice candidates of everyone. It's gonna make for a really, really great photo in the end result. Chris in this boat with this bottle of Grey Goose.
It would be an absolute honor.
Restless, restless at midnight. Shaking, shaking seems alright. I know these moods are where I feel.
Thank you so much.
I'm the king of the world.
Life is beautiful, guys. I'm just a Canadian kid with a dream trying to make a reality. If you can overcome your fear of being cringe and not give a fuck about what other people think, I really believe you can do anything in this life, regardless of your circumstances. If you're going to invest in anyone, invest in yourself.
Very wise. That's very smart right there.
Someone had to say it.
Good solid.
Not gonna lie, I'm already kind of sauced. I don't know if it's the sunlight or what. Kind of fucked right now.
I think this is the shot. So.
I think this is the shot. I've done a lot of Tinder makeovers in the past where we give guys a Tinder makeover throughout town. But in this video, I really want to show you, if you're at the point in your life where you have a budget and you want to bring your dating profile over the top, this is how you do it. I've got an entire playlist to show you how to build a profile if you don't want to go on a yacht, you don't want to spend the money. Look, you don't need this to get matches, but for the guys out there with a budget, this video will really show you how high you can take your Tinder profile and the pinnacles you can reach with it. The key to this shot is, yes, we're on a boat, but we don't want to make it look like we're flexing. We want everything to look like a very subtle flex. We don't have bottles everywhere, we don't have girls everywhere like Dan Bilzerian. Keeping it very simple, keeping it very candid, and just going for a really nice organic moment. Don't take 7 years of trial and error to figure it out like I did. Imagine waking up to hundreds of notifications on Tinder, Bumble, and Hinge. The reason so many men are failing at dating apps is because they haven't figured out why women swipe left and why they swipe right. But once you master that, you'll be drowning in matches. You'll have more dates than you know how to handle. You'll be in a position where you're rejecting women the night of a date because you have too many options. Before you give up on dating apps like Tinder, Bumble, and Hinge, ask yourself, am I really putting my best foot forward? And if the answer is no, let's fix that. I've created the ultimate dating profile guide, the Matchbook. In this guide, I've included over 50 sample bios, over 50 sample photos, and the optimized template to make women compulsively swipe right and match your profile. So if you want to give up on yourself, give up on your dating life, that's on you. But if that's not the life you want, stop what you're doing right now, hit the link down below, and get instant access to the Matchbook right now.
Come hither, come hither. Come hither. Yeah. 864. All right, I'll text you. How many do you swipe right on and on? Put in my own.
Yeah, he's cute.
No, here it is. What's so funny?
No way.
It's work. Devin's wheels were absolutely spinning. A night and day difference from where he had started. But this yacht charter wasn't meant to last forever. Our yacht was preparing to dock at our final location. Devin, buddy, you hungry?
Always.
Good, buddy, because we're gonna dock this boat at Toronto's premium restaurant, the Toronto Beach Club.
Oh, I can't wait to see what that entails.
Coming up on Extreme Tinder Makeover. We wrap up the season with our final destination, the finest restaurant in the city. We'll show you one of the highest success Tinder photos you can possibly take, and we'll hear from Devin as he gives a tremendous toast. If you want to see all of the photos we've been taking of Devin for his final Tinder profile, buckle up, pound that like button, hit subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode of Extreme Tinder Makeover. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys have a budget, you want me to give you a Tinder makeover, give me an email at wingman@wingmanplus.com.